So this video actually is to show you how to access our lab computer remotely. We have a handout for you to follow. So what you need to do is you can just remotely to access this link idm.dvc.edu from your browser. So then they will add your credential from your inside login. After you log in, you will see a workstation prepared for you that you can access from your home to our lab computer at ATC. So I just want to show you the link. So actually I already have another one logged in. So this one actually is the login from VMware to access our lab computer. And here I already have my Visual Studio, we have my canvas site opened. So then here, since this one actually go to the browser for this window, you are logging into our lab computer. So what you need to do now is we can just search for our Eclipse. Okay, so after you enter the Eclipse, so you will see here, please choose Eclipse Java. Otherwise, we have Eclipse, many other stuff. Good, so here only show the Eclipse Java. So that's what we need. So just click on that. So then they will open the Eclipse for you. So you see that's the first time you log in to our lab computer. So launch your Eclipse. So from beginning, they will ask you have a directory about your workspace location. So for me, actually, you can see here is C drive workspace. Since you log in as yourself, right? So how about we change location? So you can change location. Maybe I just want to put on our desktop. So that you will see the username, my login LLO629 desktop. So then I give them the workspace. So maybe you can say, so then have our workspace. You can say my workspace. So put my workspace. So you launch that. So the workspace location is very important because this one actually can show you and also to access your source file. So after what we see on our desktop, you see on our desktop, you see I have my workspace. So later I will show you what they have in that folder. So that will have all our source file from our Eclipse. So after you first time open your Eclipse, right? So then, yeah, you have many things to do. But like my other video I show you, the first thing I want you to create your Java project. So here you can just right away click on the Java project. So then we create the Java project COMSC255. So then they told you, for you see the GRE on our lab computer is version 11. So then here we just continue, go to the next. So then one thing is default, they will say create a module info Java file. But so far we don't need that. So I want you to uncheck before your midterm exam, before the GUI, we just don't have this one check. So you can see you have COMSC255 create. So after you finish, yeah, of course, you will see here, you will have your project ready. So your project ready, COMSC255. So the good thing about the lab computer, you don't need to worry about how you will install Eclipse on your home system. So now let me show you, they will be exactly the same. That's create our new package. I want you to show you how to download and run all the file from the canvas. So we create a module 0. That's run all the module 0 source file. Every time you log into your lab computer, I want you to open your Eclipse and also have another browser open for our canvas. So here you will see, if you open your canvas, right? So then you see, you go to the files from our Coursera 255. So then I have some demo file for you. You can just download from here. So that's just download these two files. So after you download these two files, remember they are not download to your home computer. They are download on your remote system. So that's why here you need to go to your remote system download. So that's why you have 2 Java file here. And here, after you download your file, so we go back to Eclipse. When you do the Eclipse, you want to import the existing Java file from other location. So we right click on the module 0 package. So then we import. So we choose general file system. So then your browser, they will go to the location where you want. But where you want is where your existing file is. Earlier, we download at our download. You see here is our remote system. Under the download, you see you select this folder. After you select this folder, they will show you all the file on this folder. But we only import Java file. So we choose these 2 Java file. So then you click Finish. Then you will see here on your source module 0, you have 2 files ready. So you can just open on that because you can see they have error you need to fix. So I open the welcome message dialog box example we show in module 0. The reason the error show is you see the package name is wrong because my source file is say week 1, but here we put in under module 0. So then afterward you correct that your source file is fine, but they still have the error show here. That's because you didn't run. So that's run our program. Okay, you can see just every time they will just run. So then we just see, yeah, so they compile and they run. So you have your welcome message in Java. So here is how I will show you to run your Eclipse from our remotely to our lab computer at DVC. So here is you download some file from our canvas, right? But sometimes, right? Sometimes maybe you can using the lab computer do the homework assignment. So then, for example, you have your assignment 1 from module 1. So I add another package, module 1. I create this package. So now you want to start working on your homework assignment, right? So then you create a new class. Remember your homework assignment, your homework assignment name is assignment 1. So your homework assignment Java file name is assignment1.java. On the other hand, that's me. Your class name is assignment1. So then it's public. Since you need to run something, so you need the main method. So then click the main method, then you create that. So we are not run anything yet, but now you can see you create a new Java file from your remote computer. But that's on your remote computer, right? How can you import that to your home system? So that's take advantage for we have the Canvas login, right? So here, after you create, let me show you, after you create, the first thing, after you create this assignment1.java file, where it is? They are under your remote computer. So actually the location is earlier where your My Workspace is. So that's why here you see your desktop. Under My Workspace, you see you have your Java project, COMSC255. And you see you have bin directory and the source. Right, you want to access your Java file, so you need to go to the src. Then you see they organize according to your package. So earlier we create assignment 1 under module 1, right? So right, your assignment 1.java actually is located on your remote computer. So now we just say, for example, you finish your homework assignment on your remote computer. How should you submit? Or even you want to download this file to your home computer, how you will do that? You need to have some cloud application to do that. So you can have Dropbox to upload this file. Or let's take advantage, like I say, since you open your Canvas, right? The good thing about Canvas is, besides you can access different course shell, you also can click on your account. You have the file location for you too. Okay, so that's why under your file, you see I have different classes. So maybe I can choose COMSC255, that's my course, right? So since you open this Canvas browser on your remote system, so when you upload the file from your remote system, actually there is earlier what you just create your My Workspace. You see My Workspace here. Then you have your COMSC255 project. You have your source. You have your module 1. Then you can upload this assignment 1. Right? Oh, you see, be careful. This assignment 1 is on Canvas. You access that from your remote system. But now I will show you. Actually, now I close this one. Okay, I open my another Canvas shell from another browser. Then you will see here, I have another browser. So that's why here you can see, I open my browser here, I go to my account, my files. So then, yeah, my internet is a little slow. Okay, so then you have 255, then you have your assignment 1. So then if now you want to download, then you will download to your home computer. Okay, so I hope this help you to, in case your home computer, your Eclipse cannot run, we have a backup solution we can access from remotely to our DVC Lab computer.